Are you ready to move into resident? Now it's time to think inside the box.
Buying everything you need for res can be expensive, and you don't always know what to get.
There's gotta be a better way.
This is the Res Life Starter Kit Move-In box, and it's here to help. Built by students, for students.
Our box contains exactly what you need to get started for when you move into residence.
The concept is simple. Order your products online and we'll have them here ready for you on move-in day.
How did we do it?
7 business students got in contact with numerous suppliers of products.
As it turns out, big corporations wanted to help students save money.
We put our finance and accounting skills to the test, providing the best prices for students.
Cheaper than both Amazon and Walmart.
Over 50 items available to choose from.
Check out our user-friendly website. With a few easy clicks, you can have your very own Res Life Starter Kit on its way to you.
Available at Cambrian College, College Boreal, and Laurentian University, or with additional shipping across Canada.
Did you know that Res Life also offers a monthly subscription option? So that you can stay stocked up on all your favorite products every month. Reserve yours today to receive the Platinum Coupon Package in your box.